Guess who was here?
What is it?
Santa!
What is it, Aiden? Presents. There's a bunch of them, huh?
Mommy open me.
Let's see. Well, we gotta see which ones are yours, because there's some that's yours and there's some.
Hey, and there's names on them.
We gotta look at the names. This one is yours. You can go ahead and open it. This one is from Santa Claus.
A football? Santa Claus gave you a football?